عايز واحد بالكام. بقول لك ايه، خلاص لقيت الفكرة.
Manual juicers are devices that are used to extract liquid from fruits, vegetables, herbs, leafy greens, and others, while separating the juice from the rest of the fruit or vegetables in a process called juicing. The design for this specific model, the we have recreated it, includes the base, which is the part where it holds the wild structure of the juicer and stabilizes it on the surface. The funnel bracket, it collects the juice extracted from the fruit after the process, while the extractor funnel, extractor cone, and pressure cup squeeze the juice from the fruit. This motion is done by the handle, which is moved by the user. The juicer's design is fully mechanical and doesn't require electricity. The design is made to be easily cleaned. There is a limit of the amount of fruit that can be juiced. Extra patience and effort is required while using this design. The design produces a small quantity of juice in a longer time.